In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on black and white mode on iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to open up settings. Once you open up settings, scroll down until you see accessibility, then click on display text and size. From there, scroll until you see color filters and then turn it off. Now use the first option for grayscale, and as you can see, everything will be now grayscale. If you want to turn it back off, just click on it again and it will be turned off, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.